All is good. YouTube is your boy Smith SMC, and I'm back again with another amazing video. So, this SAUSD, like you all know, that's what I normally trade. So, this was what happened last week, and I want to quickly do analysis for what's going to happen this week. So, like I said last week, let me recap. I said this price is going to push upward, of which the price did. So, uh, I took the trade and I made some profit. I also made some loss. So that is how trading is normally. You get so that just so let's head over to what we're going to be looking at for this particular week. For this particular week. So let me check from the weekly time frame. Let me check for the weekly time frame. So you can see something that this price just break through last week high. But before breaking through that, I created what a week, which is the low of this week. So what I will just do here, this is practical how I do my analysis. What I will just do here, so I'm going to just bring it. So previous weekly high. Let me delete all those stuff. So let me put it under here. Then previous weekly low, sorry. Then the up candle. So what happened in this particular candle here is that this was the opening of the candlestick. This was the opening of the candle. This was the opening of the candlestick. Then the market opened from the place. Then the market pushed it down a little bit to this particular level. Then the buyers on their own, they pushed it upward. Yeah, so that was what happened this week. So this weekly time frame. If it's going to go upward, you first of all come down a little bit before it was move upward. But the trend must first of all be a bullish trend. That's just one thing you need to take note of. If last week was bullish, for this one to keep going, to keep pushing upward, need to first of all create like a little bit, come down a little bit before going upward. That was what happened last week. To create the low of that particular week. So you get this the low now. Previous, you can see this PW and PWL, this previous weekly low. Why this PWH is previous weekly high. Previous weekly high. Sorry, I said previous week high. So let's continue from there. So I've marked it out now. So what will I be expecting for gold? If you can see something here, you can see that gold have been moving upward, like gold has been bullish for some weeks now. That's what you can clearly see from this particular angle. So the weekly time frame is showing us that this trade is going to continue bullish. This trade is going to continue bullish. Let me pin them. Like this trade is going to continue what? Let me use it that way. So that's what the weekly time frame is giving us. So that's what the value that this weekly time frame is giving us. So let me pin it, lock it. That's what this weekly time frame is giving us. So close to like 1, 2, 3, 4. Close to like 4 bullish candlestick, like strong bullish candlestick. So that's what this candlestick is giving us in the the weekly time frame. So let's move over to the daily time frame. Let's see from the daily time frame. All right. So you can see something here. You can see something here that from this daily time frame, you can see that the market has been consolidating. Like last week, that's if the market was just moving upward, moving downwards. Like this is a rejection from this particular level. This is a rejection here. Market came to this place, then created this candlestick. Those of us that know about candlestick, I've read the candlestick Bible. You know what this particular is like, a hammer, something like that. That was the same thing that was created at this particular level. So I don't want to bother us about that one, that candlestick. If you haven't read the book, the Bible candlestick, something like that, go and read it. You know what I'm talking about. So look at this. You can see a week here. The same thing with this one. The same thing with this particular. So we can't really decide what's going to happen this week from here. From here up onward, we can't really decide what's going to happen for this week, because judging from the from the daily time frame, the market has been moving upward, like as if there's no clear direction. So for me to only know that this market is going to continue the bullish trend, but from now I can't really decide. From this, what I'm seeing from here, I can't really decide what's going to happen. So then let me see. I'll still move to the lower time frame. So what I'm going to be expecting is either for this market to open, then move up to either take this particular high at, or take this particular high of the week at. Before starting was making a reversal, like I will see a reversal candlestick, I will see a reversal pattern before what I'll start saying, okay, maybe this market has started selling. I don't know if you get. Let's move down to the 4-hour time frame. Let's see if we can get anything from that particular place. Let's see if we can get anything from that particular. So this is the 4-hour time frame. You can see just a ranging markets. That's what I'm seeing from it. Like the market is just ranging. Like no clear direction for good for. I can't really tell. No clear direction. I call this a ranging what? A ranging market. Ranging markets. But the thing is that what I'm saying, anything can happen. What I'm saying is that I would love for growth to first of all open from this place, then move upward a little bit, then before coming down. So if you should see something here, let's move down to the 1 hour time frame. So I don't want to waste time with this analysis. Let's move down to the what? So we are going to, for me, I'm going to be expecting both sides for this week, but I'll be careful with risk management because this market has been consolidating for some time. That's what consolidating. If you should see it from here, this is the consolidation. This was from here to here, from here to here. Again, so I'm thinking this market is going to come back to here or to just continue going downward. So let's see how this week is going to be like. For me, there's no clear direction for growth starting from the 1 hour time frame. But majority with the vote, like the way we normally do it in the forex market, you should follow the direction of the what of the higher time frame, because the higher time frame will lead you, like we show you the roadmap of what the week is what the week is going to do. So the weekly time frame is showing that okay, we are going it's still bullish, but the daily time frame is just showing consolidation. Same thing with the 4 hours, same thing with the 1 hour. So same thing with the what with the 1 hour. So like I said before, I'm going to be expecting both sides. I'm going to be expecting what both sides, either a buy or a sell, depending on what I'm going to see, because the market acts, then we react to the market. So I don't know if I got that statement correctly, because what the market shows, that's what we follow. We don't maybe the market is in a bullish trend, but want to go and be selling, it will only hit your stop loss. So that is that for this particular week. So like what I said, for let me recap, I said I'm either going to be expecting this week for that be a buy or a sell, because why? I don't really know what's going to happen. Is that this market open and take out this what? If it take out this particular high, let me say on Monday, then on Tuesday, then I'll be looking for a what, for a market structure shift. MSS market structure was shift before saying okay, this market wants to start pulling downwards. So that's what I'm going to be looking for this particular week. So that's just it. Nothing much. That's just it. So that's what I'm going to be expecting for this week. So thank you very much. Please, if you know you have not subscribed, please do where to subscribe. That's the only way you can make grow the channel. Please do where to subscribe, and do take note that when you are subscribing, they're not taking anything from you. You understand? They're not going to tell you okay, you're going to be paying for it like that. No, paying for a subscription. No. Once you subscribe, you are helping me to grow the channel, so that YouTube can also recommend this same channel or this same let me say this same channel to other people that are also looking for the same content. So please do where to like, share, and subscribe. So I'm also on IG, my IG handle, my X handle, and other stuff. They are down below. Please do where to follow me on all social media handles. Thank you very much, and do have a profitable week ahead of you. Thank you.